All right, so today I'm changing the sail switch out. Right before I got home, Brittany called me and said that the furnace will come on for about 2 or 3 seconds and it would shut back off, which realistically that meant that it would come on for about a minute, 2 minutes, maybe 3, and then it would shut back off. So 9 out of 10 is this little sail switch. So this is where I'm starting, which this little thing here. So so this goes right here in the side of the fan. So it's 6 up. So on this Keystone Fusion, this is a 424. Your furnace port's right here, and right there is where it comes out at, and you can see the hose there. So on the side of this, it has a bracket right here that screws into the wood, and there's one on the back side where all the pipes come into. So you have to unscrew both of those, and I had to take line off for the propane. So I shut it off, made sure I don't have any power, and I took the propane line off and I shut my propane tanks off. So I just pulled the old sail switch out and I'm putting the new one back in right now. But fingers crossed that that's what it is. So I'm gonna stick the new sail switch in, and the old one is the one I was showing you. So it comes in 2 separate pieces, the bracket and the sail switch, which you need to screw into the bracket. And that's at least that's how mine came. So I'm gonna show you that, and we'll kick it on and see if it works. Okay, so I have the furnace back in place, and now we're gonna turn it on. So we have the in command system. So I have to go here, here, and let's see, heat. It's set at 81, so let's go see what happens. I know I just heard the fan kick on, so I know it may take a few times just because the there it goes, it just kicked on. I figured there'd be a little air in the system. I guess it purged it out pretty quick, but she's working. So that's all it was a sail switch. Now right here where it comes out, this piece here, it got a big metal piece, it's round, and they got a smaller one, and that pipe goes inside of the other pipe that's in here, and then that big piece has to go inside of the box itself. So that took a little finagling to get in there. The easier way that I've seen some people do is they'll pull this off completely, but I didn't want to have to recaulk all of that. So I just you have to lift up on that pipe just a little bit to make it match up. So seems like that's all it was your trusty little sail switch. So I ordered 2 of them when I ordered them the other day. So that's all it was. Hi. And so we got that changed out, and we should be good tonight, being that it's going to end up in the let's see, I think tonight's supposed to be 21, so we definitely needed the heater. I'm glad it came in today. But anyway, that's what I did. So now I'll put my panels back, and everything will be right back to normal. So just a quick tutorial on what I did, not that I knew what I was doing. So if you need help, I'll gladly help you as best I can, but like I said, this was my first time changing this. So anyway, hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you later.